This video we have basically send all the products in the database, and now in this video I want to get a specific product details with the help of the ID of that product that Mongoose has assigned to it. Alright, so what I do is I can simply go after it and type here like get single product details, and that goes to /API/v1/product, then slash the ID of that product. Alright, and now first of all let's type here exports dot get single product, that is async, so request response and next. I can simply type here first of all cons product equals to await product. Now we have a function that is called find by ID, so we have to find pass in the ID. The ID is going to be request dot params dot ID. So this is the parameter of this URL. This is the ID, so request dot params dot this ID. So it will find the product by its ID, and let's first of all check that if not product return res dot status for then we simply type here dot JSON success false, and then the message message is going to be product not found. Alright, now when we add up a global error handling in this API, then we'll add that here, but right now we don't have it, so we'll simply send a response back with this for and product not found. Alright, if it is exists, then we can simply type here res dot status 200 dot JSON success is going to be true, and then we have to pass in the product. Simple as that. Alright, simply save it, copy this function, we have to import it. So that is also get request, so slash product slash the ID of that product, that is get single product. Simple as that. Save it. If I go back to my Postman and go here, get request domain /API/v1/product slash the ID. So let's copy any ID from here, like this one. This is CAN USBFT adapter, so copy its ID, paste it here, send. You consider success true, and we have this product that is CAN USB. Okay, if I type here like 6, press send, you can see that success false and product not found. So it is working properly. And if I type here correct ID, if it is present in database, we can get the product from there. Okay, so that's it. Yes, let's save it first of all. So simply type here get single product by its ID. Now one thing is optional, like I'm using the Postman to test my API, but if you are doing front end at the same time, then you don't have to use the Postman. You can definitely test on the front end, but if you are completing the backend first, then I will highly recommend you use the Postman. And I'm just adding this all the details because if you have to prepare the documentation of the backend API, then it will be easier for you to get details of a specific request. Okay, so simply click on save to products, and that's it. So now it is added successfully. We are getting the products by its ID. So in my next video, I want to handle the update product and then the delete product in the next video. Okay, so now I want to tell you that this create new product is admin route that only admins can access it, but right now again we don't have any authentication, so it's fine. But when we have authentication, then in that case only admins can access this route. Okay, so in my next video I will add here a controller function that basically update the product. Okay,